Herdsmen seeks Makinde's intervention over alleged killings of members' cows. Two groups representing herdsmen in Oyo State have appealed to Governor Sheyi Makinde to quickly come to their aid over the incessant killing of their members and their cows. The groups also said that they have lost several cows worth millions of naira due to alleged poisoning of water sources and feeds along cattle routes in the state. The group said in a statement jointly signed by Alhaji Sadiu Kadri, national chairman of Jammu Nazi Fube Association of Nigeria, and also the Seriki Fulani of Oyo State, and Ibrahim Saliu, State Chairman, Miyetti Allah Katoho Fulani Social Cultural Association. The news agency of Nigeria NAN reports that the groups also copied the police commissioner in Oyo State, Mr. Nwachukwu Nwonwu Kadiri, said that no fewer than 10 of their members and several cows have been killed in the last 3 months in different parts of the state. We hereby use this opportunity to inform the Governor, Commissioner of Police, and the general public of frequent and unprovoked killing of our members and cows across the state. This is particularly necessary at the stage as there is a limit to human pettiness. We, as an association, have always been holding meetings to educate our members on the need to be law-abiding, he said. The Seriki Fulani said that the incident occurred mostly in Saki, Ijio, Obomosho, Ire Sadu Igana, Ado, Hawaii, and Igbora. Kadiri accused some farmers of putting poisonous substances on the grazing roads and rivers, thereby causing the deaths of herders and their cows who drink from the rivers. He said that the association might not be able to restrain their members if the unprovoked killings continues. We hereby call on the government and progressive stakeholders in the state to come to our aid to prevent further killings of our members who are law-abiding citizens, Kadiri said. Thank you for listening to this news. Is that not an indirect way of telling you people that you are no longer welcomed in the States? Is that not? To me, I think that is an indirect way of dismissing you people out of the state. That is an indirect way of saying to the Fulanis that they are no longer needed in that state. Understand? So if the water or whatever whatever food their cattle is taking in the state is not good for the cattle system, then they should know that the people are indirectly saying that they don't need them again. Won't they leave? Won't they leave? What are they still doing? To me, it's an indirect way of saying that they should go, but they will not understand. That is a problem. They will not understand. See, my viewers, you don't need to open your mouth and say to someone that it is time for you to leave, for the person to know that it is time for him to leave. Yeah, it's very clear, but some people will not still understand. They will still be proving headstrong. They will still be proving difficult. They will still be challenging you. They will still be telling you, no, we are not leaving. Calling Sheyi Makinde to the matter, yes, he will come in, but Sheyi Makinde will only talk, but the people will still do what is in their mind. You understand? So that is what they need to understand. They need to understand that this Fulani, I don't know what is chasing them out of their own land. I don't know what is dismissing them out of their own land. I don't know who is telling them that their own land is not okay for cattle rearing. They know they have the biggest hectares of land, yet they are still disturbing people with their own land. Let them go to their own to their own state. Let them go to their own state and have peace in rearing of their cattle. I don't know who is chasing them. I don't know who is asking them not to rear cattle in their own land. Why coming to this to other people's own land? This is how they flog the whole of Southeast. As if that wasn't enough. Now they have gone to the Southwest now. They are just covering the whole regions. I hope these people don't have a hidden agenda. I'm sure this is one of the means they want to use in colonizing this country, because once these people covers a particular community, within 2 years they will become the most populated in that community or in that state. And once they become the most populated, the next thing you see is attack. You don't seem to know these people. They are not trusted, and they cannot be trusted one bit. They're not people that deserve to be trusted. Though. They don't deserve to be trusted. If you trust them, you will fail. You get it wrong. So you don't need to trust them. They just have innocent look, but their mind is at the back. Their mind is at the back. That's why nobody tries to pity them. If you pity them, you are killing yourself completely. So they don't deserve to be trusted, and no one should even try to trust them. One bit. Don't try it. Don't try it. You understand? That is them for you. They don't want to be trusted. They don't deserve being trusted at all. At all. Don't even give them that chance. Don't even give them the opportunity. See what they did in Imo State. See the people that they massacred. See the people they massacred just because of rearing cattle. And once they come into your state, they will not only take charge, they will take control. They will take control. And this is what they do. This is what they always do. These people, they are very, very deceitful people. They don't want to be trusted. They don't want to be trusted. And there is no reason anyone need to trust them. And that's why it's giving me a lot of concern why this so-called governor of Imo State is granting them so much attention. Granting them so much attention. I see no reason why Uzodimma will be doing that. Giving them so much attention than the owners of the state, than the indigenes of the state. Makawai. For what reason? Land belonging to the indigenes, he collected it and gave it to these hoodlums. It's wrong. Completely wrong. And I don't succumb to that. I don't like that. I don't like that. It doesn't go down well. Let President Seyi Makinde, yes, show concern, but it should just take the decision, but should not take any rash decision on the indigenes, because the indigenes may have their reason for doing that. They will have their reasons. So, my viewers, with every sense of belonging and seriousness, I want to urge us and advise us not to give support to these Fulani's and complaints and agitation. You understand now? An agitation, they can't be trusted. You understand what I'm saying now? So please, my viewers, please, I urge us to please deem it fit to leave your own comment below the comment box. Alright, click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.